Top 3 pet peeves of an Aries. Being late. If you're going to hang out or meet up with an Aries, and the call time is around 6 p.m. and you're late for 20 to 30 minutes, it will definitely piss them off. Aries hate it when people are late and when their time is being disrespected. And as we all know, Aries have a very bad temper and doesn't have that much patience. Telling them what to do. Aries hate following commands from other people, especially if that person doesn't have that privilege to do so. You might think that it's okay for them because they're gonna do it anyway and smiled at you. But trust me, they're just trying to save you from a disaster. So you might slip this one, but never do it again. Aries hate, change of plans, or unstable plans. When you tell an Aries the original plan, they will definitely keep it. It's like that plan will happen no matter what. They will definitely prepare for it and will look forward for it. So changing plans, especially multiple times, will definitely make them mad.